What are those anyway? Like camera tripods or something?
Yeah, they normally used to like, I don't know about these ones, but they normally used to like track the land and stuff, but I don't know what these ones are used for. Like, to see if it's like flat or not, so for building. But I don't know why it's here, cause. But honestly, they
nothing here.
For security more than anything, but it doesn't look like one there.
There's nothing here. Or at least I can't see anything.
Oh, there's stuff in this one. There's like a one item in this. Okay. This what do you call it? Stealth buggy.
Buggy. Buggy the pirate.
Buggy the pirate. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting to eat in this game. Oh, I accidentally dropped something.
Okay, let's follow this river. Come on.
Okay. How do I? Hold on a second, I'm trying to...
Oh, where do you want to build a base?
Oh yeah, we can do it across, here.
We need food though.
Like, I think it was like on this side.
Oh, there's a village, and he's angry.
Oh my god.
He's like climbing the trees. What the hell? Okay. I need help! He's attacking me.
I'm trying to get to you. Oh my gosh, I want spider web.
Help me! He's right there. Get him!
Oh my gosh, that's death by the time I come here.
Thank you.
Oh, there's another one. Oh! Oh! Okay, guys, I am not good at stabbing.
Hold on, I'm building some arrows.
Okay, we did it. Oh, this is kind of interesting. Oh, there's actually more of them.
Okay. I'm on my way. So there was a village here.
Okay.
There's a car. I got a paper target. C4, wire, battery. There's some battery.
Wait, why is it? Maybe since Aki, you know what? It might be the stakeholder. Because they got the sun of the forest and they got the forest. Have you ever played video all you hear is screaming? Guys, I can't play this game by myself. There's a reason why Lexi is here. She's here to protect me. And they're doing a really good job, by the way.
I've been fighting all these monsters, but like, I'm not doing a good job. My helping too.
Wait. I will be too scared to even go into the caves, like cave diving. So I was like, oh, by the way, I have an extra cup though. So
What are you doing, my? Why are you collecting the bodies?
I think that's dinner. I think that's wait, that's not. I'm just set up the.
Oh, what the hell? There's a head.
Yeah. You can make a pub out of that thing.
Ew.
Is that what was supposed to do with this?
Okay, I want to be right back. So let's build a safe area.
Oh,
you're doing
my
it.
gosh! This is my first time actually building something. I'm so happy, guys! I did it! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Finally, I'm useful. I'm finally useful.
First
Okay, now I'm
build.
gonna.
Oh, you wanna
there
do
is also
cooking?
missing a head.
Yeah, some.
So there's like no fishes in the river. Like I don't understand how does.
Are you cooking the head? No.
Can actually like fish and eat fishes, but I don't see no fishes. I don't.
The fish is probably in the river.
Oh my gosh! The boat is just like moving down. Oh, hold on. Remember how you said use the sled?
Yeah.
I think this is the time to use the sled. Whoa! Lexi?
Wow! I see you! Oh my god!
Oh my...
Formula Mini!
Guys,
Oh!
on the sled. This is the perfect place to go.
Wait!
Also, I don't know how to go back
Oh,
now.
you're going so fast! Formula Mini!
I don't... Wait. How do I stop myself? Hold on. How do I get out of this? No! Oh my gosh. Yeah, but pretty much you can go down.
Yeah, do it again! Go again!
Go again? Yo!
Okay.
I'm gonna try to hold something lighter. And when I run... Okay. So
You're gonna what? Hey, yo?
Monkey or something you're thinking, but anyway.
The music monkey. There's a lot of them.
There we go. Oh my god, Oh! There was a fish that actually flew into the sled. What the?
What? Really? Did you catch it?
No, I couldn't. It flew on like the sled. Oh my gosh, the animation was like a jump. But I couldn't catch it. That's so sad. Did you want to go on the sled? By the way, Lexi?
Yeah. Oh, but I'm all the way down though. Oh.
All the way down?
I'm already down here. Down the river.
There's just actually a way to do it. Hold on. Oh, actually goes all the way to the beach.
Okay,
That's so
protect
cool.
me. Cause I'm gonna be right back, so protect me.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, we're gonna protect, okay? We're gonna protect. A set. I need to be on the set. Hold on. I need a faster that way too. How do I probably need a faster? Yo! Set! Game, hello? Okay, just doesn't remember. Yeah, let's get up. Trying to get out the water. Okay. Grab the stick and I think you should start around here though. It just stops. Okay, we'll get in there. Oh, they're annoying. Guys, I'm like the worst at being on this there. Honestly, there's just too many rocks outside. Oh, no, it's the Zed. We're trying to protect Lexi while she AFK for a bit, but then also we can go cook up some chickens and stuff like that, so that's not bad at all. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure Lexi is fine. Welcome, Raiders. Welcome. Andrew, welcome. How is your stream? We're playing a bit of some of the first, I'm pretty much playing here with Lexi, but she's not. Oh, in her mod. But she's AFK right now, so we're trying to keep her safe. The dangers of not, but we're kind of in a pickle because I set up a tunnel down there, like all the way back. What we can do is set up another tunnel here, because I think we're gonna need it. Guys, I have successfully made 2 and the target. Okay, we're gonna save. Oh, sorry, not save. Save. Oh my gosh, there's a head. Yo! I used to actually eat the head. No way to actually eat the head. Look the back actually.
I can see it. Someone's cooking a head.
Yeah, that's not mine for sure.
It's my mind.
ton of dangers out there, and I haven't actually seen. To be honest, but from what I've been told, by Lexi, it's pretty scary. So, other give up. Where did she give up? Oh, ours. So that's just a friendly monster.
Should we save? I mean, sleep?
Oh yeah, I did. I saved, but I haven't sleep yet, so I'll save again there. No. Don't read out the question thing. I am now hungry. Oh my gosh, I'm always hungry. Yo,
Oh, there's some meat.
Friends here have seen better days.
Whose meat is that?
Here. I'm turned down. We're trying to get this green chicken.
Look. If you go up here, Mimi, you go here.
Hold on.
There's water.
Oh, so you can't. Oh, so when you actually build a tent, you can't like save the tent and remake them. Okay, go. Okay.
You can break the tent, and you can like get the materials as well. Does that help you?
Are we gonna stay here like? Okay.
Oh, there's a random cave over there I want to go to.
Maybe on the other side we haven't explored that side yet. Like,
Yeah, this side, right? Or are you talking about the other side?
maybe we can go on either side. Oh, thingy. Oh, thingy. We made it outside though. Because we had oysters there, didn't we? Also on that side though.
Yeah, I think oysters were like somewhere with the rock pools.
Yeah,
Not sure.
The free range chicken.
Come here. I found something.
Yeah, hold on. I was getting so excited. I thought I found a fish. And I really want to cook a fish for you. Okay. Walking. Whoa!
Okay, seriously, come over here.
Oh yeah, 100%. I'm walking. I haven't stopped running at all. Okay, I
This is where we gotta go.
I need to eat something.
This cave, my. Okay, I can't see anything when it's dark, by the way. Oh my god, my light just went inside. Okay, I'm going into it.
Okay. Isn't this one? Oh my.
There's a lot of stuff here.
Okay.
I got an air tank. That's interesting. So that's for diving or something? I got ammo. Newspaper clipping.
Can't carry any more skulls. Imagine that, guys. I've just been racking up all the skulls.
Guys, I think we should use our flashlights here.
Oh yeah, I've been using it.
Okay.
did it have some time to get rid of like you hold a newspaper and you want to get rid of it other than the key to like remove it allocation. There's a little skeleton here, guys.
Shit!
Oh,
I'm sorry. There's just some bats.
No, that's fine.
Oh, your head's too big. Mimi, you gotta crouch. Your head's too big.
Crouch? What's the crouch? See?
See your control, probably.
Oh, control.
Okay. Oh god, it's dark.
Oh, the dark is so dark in here. I'm holding on.
Why am I just going on ahead? Whoa! My, slow down. Please, slow down. My, slow down. I can't see anything.
Yo, this is floating. Oh my gosh.
There's people who died here.
Died here? Oh, what did I get? It's like...
I see something moving. You see it? Something's moving.
Oh, are we another fighter?
Oh gosh! One of them's coming towards us already. That one.
Guys, if this looks like wolves to you, that does not
I think it's stuck.
I think it's here. Oh my...
Whoa!
I'm actually dead. I don't even know what hit me. Oh my... Oh my...
Oh god.
Oh! So this is her mom! I'm dying to muscle with that mom, guys. I don't even know.
Whoa!
Like, how am I dying to muscle with that?
Oh god. Coming at me. Whoa! I'm down. I'm dead. Help me.
Okay, you're alive now.
Okay, thank you. You gonna die? Who died?
No, she's like up that way.
Look at all the arrows I shot into it. You guys have bows and arrows?
Not from this side. What's that? Oh,
Something just attacked me. Oh.
Remember like
Hold on.
the stage earlier? Like one more. Oh yeah, this one. Oh!
What's going on?
There's one that's still alive that's roaming around. I don't know why, but this one just doesn't have hands and how is he not dead?
I can't see you. It's got like no eyes or something.
Oh my goodness. I'm literally at
It's dead.
What? Every time it's dead when I'm literally trying to... remember this game?
Yeah, it's armor.
I've not equipped any armor the whole entire.
Oh, me too. I didn't really use any of it until just now.
A bird's head. A bird's head then. Oh! The honey! I think I'll drop it.
Oh my god, there's a lot of bones here. A stupid amount of bones here.
Okay, we need to stop splicing because I'm not going to.
Do you wanna go this way? Or
I'm eating some random raw meat.
no, you should cook it. Okay.
I realized
Cook the raw
that too.
meat.
I realized that too.
Here. Oh,
Okay, we do have a burnt head and some rotten meat, so I'm not gonna put in the rotten meat at all.
I've noticed that like when you cook the rotten stuff, it becomes normal again. I don't know.
Oh, you
Why
really?
it's like that.
Okay, we're gonna do that, guys. Alright. Experiment number 2. Put down the rotten meat. Oh, actually, I'll eat this one.
What does that do when you put the skull thing? Oh, okay.
Let's see, just to say, he is the best head. Probably don't know. I mean, no, you won't stomach it, but like see, just to confirm, I
Yeah?
just ate the golden meters. Like, I'm placed a rotten meat here. It's actually red right now.
You can cook it though, right? Or no?
Plain render. I mean, can keep trying to. Oh! Are you serious? Rotten meat cooking it is fine? Lexi, you are correct. 100% correct.
Oh. Okay, you can eat the raw meat after you cook it. Yeah, there's a stupid amount of like bones there.
Well, doesn't have any bones, you may as well just. I mean, what if we get sorry, I keep using the wrong button. Undo. Hub. Okay, where's the regular word?
Have you built the boat?
Okay. I feel like a forum there is 100 people.
Oh, look, there's actually fish in here as well. On the floor. Beef armor, that sounds really weak.
Yeah, 100%. A Thursday only farm is worth it though. Yeah, birds can you make bone armor, I'm assuming decorations as well. I'm sorry, the fish you were saying earlier, you can fish in here?
No, I just saw it on the floor. It's like
Oh
this
yeah,
raw
yeah,
fish.
I'm gonna do that too.
Okay.
I got so excited when I found that fish, there was only one.
Mhm.
Okay, now... I think we can all pass through bone armor.
Oh, what the fuck? Something just like made a noise. What are you? Oh, it's there! It's there! Oh! Wow!
Why is he not dying?
Wow! Somebody stole that thing.
I'm constantly just like cutting him up now because I'm scared that
And you can use the armor.
yeah, I haven't done some armor though. I don't know if I'm
Come this
wearing
way.
my armor. Yeah. This way?
Yeah.
Oh,
Holy crap!
oh my gosh!
Hold on, I'm bringing out the gun. Bring out the gat. Why is it not dying?
Why is it not dying though?
Oh!
Oh my gosh! Okay, that's not nasty then. Oh, there's somebody behind us.
There's another one. My life. What the hell? Oh. It like ran at me and then came.
Finally, I was trying so hard to pull this out. Oh my gosh, she never gave me a heart attack. But I was like, how do I say this?
Yeah.
I was like trying to explore, look at what you're trying to look at, and I kept going for it.
Okay. Oh, you guys are ahead. Wait.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
I'll try to just walk on my straight. Yo, how deep is this?
Okay. It's really dark. I'll use a flare.
Okay, set up a bonfire. Hold on.
Try to find where my flares are. Oh, there it is.
I don't know how to do a bonfire. It's not cheap. Do you want... I've actually got a couple of bonfires.
Careful, the bonfires, like, if you stand on them, you burn.
Oh, okay. I don't know how to... I don't know how to build this again. Okay, so... hold on. If I put it down...
You have to, like, put it down. You have to break sticks first.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that. And then again. And then light it up.
Oh, but what if I wanted, the other one? No, not this one. The one that stands up as like a torch.
Oh, that one. Right click. To swap it. Okay.
I'll just make another bonfire here. Oh! What the?
Then you have to use cloth.
Sorry?
You have to use a piece of cloth.
Oh! Piece of cloth?
Does it let you light it up now? Oh wait. One more piece of wood. Okay, try it out. Did it work? Lila's on fire! See, I told you! Watch out, the bonfires will kill you.
I successfully have not been able to do this.
Can you do it? Okay,
No.
come on. Look up on the... There,
Oh!
almost got it.
Oh,
There you go.
Oh my gosh, Okay, this is where that it's not so dark in here. Like, we know there's not up to play.
Yeah, so your bonfire is like the exit. Like, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully it helps her.
I'm gonna use the flare so we can move forward. Oh god, I forgot to light it up.
I don't even know how to use them.
Really dark
I'll just
everywhere.
play on the floor, by the way. Here. Whenever I'm standing here, there's 2 players on the floor.
Oh. Yeah. Hey, there's a person.
There's 2 way up. I didn't even notice the person. Oh, hand grenade.
Whoa! My.
I think I need to like learn how to use the flare too.
Okay, I ran out of flares. So, be careful.
Yeah, I'll try to do it like... Hold on.
Oh, you have to light up the flare.
Oh!
Mimi, you have to light it up first. Okay, open the flare.
Like, I have the flare, but like, how do you... I can right click or left click and then throw it again.
Try to right click.
Oh!
Yay! Okay, yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Wait, what? You hear music?
What? Music? Oh! I hear it. Sorry.
What the hell?
Stadium?
What's in here?
This is my lighter. This is another,
Over here! I found it!
Yeah, I was gonna say there's like 2 ways.
Okay.
Like,
Okay, what the hell?
okay,
We need that flare. Yeah, we need that flare. Okay, yeah, we need a flare. I can't see anything. It's so dark.
Yeah. hold on, another player.
What is that?
Oh my gosh, there's actually something on the floor. There's like babies on the floor.
There's zombie babies! What the hell? My just smashed all of them. Wow.
I didn't even get a chance to like switch the weapons in this game. Hold on, we need another player. Hold on.
What happened? Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Why did I play the water?
Ooh.
Wait.
This is the end of the cave?
A stun gun? I got a stun gun. Do you guys get a stun gun?
Yep. I got a stun gun.
Something big there.
What the hell? What?
Get your grenades ready.
Damn.
Get your grenades ready. How do we get there?
Grenades are not. Which I only have one grenade.
I shot it. It did nothing.
I think
Wait, we should cut him loose. This is like not fair for him. Okay. Can we cut him?
it's that block road over that way though. What's happening over here? We're trying to.
He's like stuck. Is there no way to cut him? Oh, you're poking him. Oh, what are you doing?
The thing there. Hold on. I'll use the axe then.
What is reacting to it? I shot it. I shot that thing. Come here, Mimi. Stand where I am. Like, on this area. And have a look. Do you see it, Mimi?
What the heck is that? That's like a giant baby blob thing.
Ew.
Oh my gosh.
I think that's the main boss.
Dude, I have bosses in this game.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
I'll hit it.
How would you go there?
No clue. Maybe it's like a different part of the cave, like another side. Oh, everyone's gone. Oh my god. I should probably run out now.
Yeah, I'm running. Is it?
Random music in the cave there.
Yeah, that thing is weird. Like, there's a stereo.
Right, that's like setting the mood.
Oh, that torch is so good. Now we know where to go.
Oh yeah. I'm very good at like losing my way, and I have to have switches because I tend to like especially in horror games I tend to just like run around and start crying, and then I have to have like fights. Otherwise I'll never make it out.
Yeah, especially this type of cave thing. It's like too easy to get lost. nothing moving?
I knew I loved the floaties. I pretty much was talking about the floaties the whole entire time. And I really just like a rubber duck floaty than
Oh.
Why does it feel like we didn't find a way out but go somewhere else in the game right now?
Oh, we're much deeper. There's some energy drinks over in the side.
I have a bunch of like M&Ms. I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but
A lot of bones. Oh, some food.
oh, food.
Oh, did you get the rebreather? Okay, look into the cave. Do you see that? Look where I'm pointing the torch. Do you see it? Mimi,
Yeah?
do you see the thing? Look where I'm pointing the torch.
Oh,
Wow.
it's a mirror.
No, look, right there. Can you not see it? Can you see it?
Oh my gosh, there's a shark.
Yeah.
I thought you meant that thing over there. Where is it? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's an actual shark. How do you... Wait. We can't kill a shark, can we?
I don't know. You can try.
Anything about it?
I tried to hit it, but it ran away. Oh God, where is it?
Okay, real question. Can we go on that floaty over there? Or does it
Try
not work
it.
like that? That floaty?
Try it. But there's a shark.
But there's a shark. Go
What
for
do
it.
we do? Oh my God. Okay, what'd you get from the floaty? Where's the shark? It's going.
I have no idea. But I think we should go over this side where the light
Okay,
is.
the shark is in a freaking cave. In the water.
That's
Oh my
okay.
God.
Just come out of the water because you have the oxygen thingy in the box, right?
Yeah, I have it. Hey, wait. It looks like there's a tunnel in the water. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So I was like confused. I was like, what was I supposed to be looking at? That's why I was like,
Okay, I'm in the bottom of the thing. I can't see anything. There is nothing. Holy shit. Hopefully... Yeah, there's nothing, right? Oh wait, there's something where Mama is. Come over where Mama is. Okay, come over here. Okay. Mimi, come over.
yeah, coming. Where's the
Whoa, it's a cave.
a cave.
Like, there's a cave in the water.
나는 언제부터 I didn't think that I had something like this, you know.
Oh shoot. What the hell? Where am I? Oh god. I think it's nighttime. It's almost nighttime, everyone. Swim up. Swim up. It's almost nighttime.
Like swim out of a cave?
Wow.
That is actually pretty cool.
That's like Subnautica. Have you ever played that game, Mimi?
I haven't yet played that game though.
Oh. It's a lot of like underwater stuff. Exploration
Yeah, I
underwater.
never actually had that playing it because I thought it was kind of scary, but also like you have to play like a lot of hours like you have to sink a lot of hours into it before it gets pretty far in the game.
Oh yeah.
I'm over here fighting for my life, and our NPC guys trying to find the sea lion.
He just keeps collecting stuff, doesn't he? Okay, I have a tent over here. Everybody save.
Yeah. I'll put it in the safe as well. And I want to quickly hydrate Colorado.
Ooh. I'm hungry.
Now I change it. Oh yeah, I got a bunch of
Ew! My life!
I also looted a bunch of those too.
Mai's cooking like weird stuff.
I don't know what to do with the extras. And I would just like to take the rest of the. I've got two nice juicy thighs and literally one okay, two raw arms. It comes in a pair. Alright? I don't take a leg, I'll take both legs, you know what I mean? Oh, I'm just thirsty. I do actually drink, like, water, like sea water. Enough.
I wouldn't drink the seawater, no.
I tried, but you can't do it.
But there's river water just up ahead, like really close. Remember?
Oh, sorry? The river, yeah.
The river is just right there.
Yep. Like, the river. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, yeah, that's right.
This
In
way.
the middle, right in the middle.
Yeah, there's like an area where like the river meets the sea, and you can drink from there.
It actually sounds like a song there.
Oh! Lightning?
I don't even hear to sound that song. Can you song this? there without make some flashing like crazy. Oh god. Those are my stuff that I have not seen. That was a lucky head for now. I'm gonna put some out. Volker. I'm drinking now. I haven't been drinking. Bunch of like watches. I still don't know what the time bomb.
You wanna do a time bomb?
Yeah, there, because I was like, what can you do with the watches? And then it's like, is there anything you can use, like, do a time bomb on it? Let's see some of my, vision thing. I didn't have this. Well, we're just kind of walking down here. We just... There's a way. This game never has any features. I'm very sad. What features are
Yeah.
Fish, when you see them really down.
I've seen some fish, but they're like really hard to catch.
Yeah, pretty
Like
much.
sometimes they're in the sea, or sometimes they're like in rivers, but they're just hard to catch.
Okay, that's just funny. Oh! Okay, never mind. I'm so hungry. You know what's so weird as well? What's this for bacon guy? Okay, that's like the only bacon guy for like some special season. But this here will like actually eat some meat and eat the butter.
To be honest, it sounds like dog food. Bacon bites, like a dog treat or something.